Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an account with USAA Bank. It's simple and easy if you follow the following steps. First, go to the official USAA Bank website. Now scroll down and click on Apply Now. Click Continue to start your application. You will be asked to provide your personal information, including your first name, last name, date of birth, country code, phone number, and address. After filling out all the necessary details, submit the form. Make sure to deposit at least $25 using a checking, savings, Visa, or MasterCard account to complete the account setup. That's it, guys. You can easily open a USAA bank account by following these steps. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.